can do 4 or 5 for wraps from the incline. So it's like these kinds of different things she does.
Does he do a lot of labor with that?
He says he does. I don't see him this while.
That might be what it is.
Better hope Shane don't see that video.
What video is that?
This is the animal sounds from Bethlehem.
See you YouTube.
Are you going to do some animal sounds? Okay.
Boy said I can't leg press, man. You serious? Can't do 225.
Keep doing that, Tommy.
That's Jingle Bells.
Okay. We got another animal sound?
Squeal like a pig. Yeah, put it down.
Didn't you have some, didn't you have some jackass sounds?
I heard y'all making fun of my laugh. You know, everybody at work when I was retiring said, "We're going to miss your laugh so much."
This is our little movie of animal sounds of Bethlehem.
You got it.
What's that?
Ball. I don't know. What do they do in Bethlehem? What do they do?
Coffee stick.
Did you get that recorded?
Oh, this is all being recorded.
What would you say?
We wanted to hear the jackass sound. What?
Okay.
That was a jackass pig duet, right?
It was a big harmonizing. No, this is live. This is live shoot.
Jeannie, this is animal sounds from Bethlehem. Did you want to participate?
You gotta have.
We'll do it with you. We're harmonizing.
It's got to be sort of spontaneous.
An animal.
No. Pretty good.
That ain't bad.
Wow!
She's a visitor from Nigeria. Back now.
Anybody else?
Anyway.
We might, maybe we can hear from Macho Man tonight.
The Macho Man, Randy Savage, is here in the flesh.
He's an animal, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Here's your time for glory now. This is the CD. You don't get any royalties unless you put part of it into it. I mean, you can't get no credits without putting part of it. This is your chance.
Macho Man, we want to hear from you again.
It's only good. It's really good.
What about Carl from Sling Blade?
Ooh, that's
He's a good Carl.
Ashley can do that.
You ought not done that. He's just a boy.
What's your favorite food, Sling Blade Man?
I like them French fried potatoes. Them biscuits and mustard.
See? He's in Bethlehem too. Sling Blade man. Talking about Bethlehem, Pennsylvania now.
Oh.
That's where we're from.
I gotta hear some more of
Bethlehem
that.
Steel, Pennsylvania.
I gotta hear some more. I like that.
Not funny, ha ha. Funny queer.
Ask him if he knows how to fix things.
Hey, Sling Blade, you know how to fix things?
I'm pretty good at fixing engines and whatnot. Lawnmower engines, man. They ain't got no gas in it.
You should do chance now, be on the CD. Hit the charts January 1.
Put it on YouTube, yeah. This will be viral YouTube, right?
Yeah, we can.
The Bolus Christmas party. Next year, 1 million people show up.
We'd pick up trucks and animals. Yeah. Camping out in your front yard.
What do you say?
Hello, I'm the governor from California. My name is Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'm here with my family, and it's very good to be here, I must say. I don't have to blow anything up today. I don't have to put a chokehold on anybody. I'm very happy right now. Now get the camera out of my effing face.
What about our taxes in California?
Taxes? I lower all taxes. I'm a Republican. The debt? There is no debt. I make money like nobody else in this damn country.
But there's no money in California.
Well, I drive a tank and a Hummer. Is that not good enough for you?
So, Christmas sounds from Bethlehem.
Bethlehem, PA.
Bedlam. Oh. Okay, and so we say goodnight. Merry Christmas. Good night, Arnold.
Good night.
Good night.
Donald.
Good night, everyone. And Merry Christmas.
I had a governor in California.